While the evolving science of CTE is of great significance, its representation in the media has been criticized by some as biased, oversimplified, and alarming. A primary argument contends that by having the majority of news articles on concussion discuss CTE as a consequence provides an excessively negative representation of a single concussion injury, as the far more common trajectory following concussion. Right? You're led to believe that concussion causes CTE and long-term impairment. However, most of the time, concussion will just resolve and be fine. Taken as such, the media's representation of CTE in present-day America is likely raising public concern over CTE and arguably may be doing so to a greater degree than is currently warranted based on the state of the science. The CTE research is at the lowest level of scientific research. It's a case series. No other media coverage would cover something as trivial as a case series. But yet the media is blowing it up. They're making it seem like we have conclusive proof that this is a reality. But in fact, we don't. We're literally at the first step of scientific research. Meaning like we've seen it in a couple people. We don't really know what it does. We have no controls. Okay, let's start looking at it. Right? Start looking at it. But they're making it seem like it's already a foregone conclusion, which is affecting millions of people, especially in North America where the coverage is more significant. Right? You go to Europe, not as much.